Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to train ChatGPT on your own data. Why would you want to do this? For example, let's ask ChatGPT who Apify's actor developer Caleb is without using the internet. As you can see, the response isn't useful. In this video, I'll show you how to feed your bots with relevant data so they can answer even the most specific questions. Here's what we need: Pinecone GPT integration, WCC Pinecone integration, a Pinecone account, and an OpenAI account. First, go to the WCC Pinecone integration linked in the description. Click Try for free, which will prompt you to create an Apify account. Don't worry, it's free and no credit card is required. Now we're on the setup page. You can set the input through our user-friendly UI or JSON. Let's go with the manual view. First, enter the URL of a website you want your AI chatbot to be trained on. Let's use our article on Caleb David, the developer we just asked ChatGPT about. Next, we need to generate API keys from Pinecone and OpenAI. For OpenAI, go to the API keys section on their platform and create a new secret key. Copy and paste it into the OpenAI API key field. Now, let's do the same for Pinecone. After creating a project, generate a new key in the API Keys tab and enter it into the actor input. Next, input the Pinecone index name. If you don't have one yet, go to the dashboard, click on Indexes, and create one. Name it, and the only setting to modify is the dimensions. Set these to 1536 as outlined in the Readim, where you can find all the necessary specifications. After creating the index, type its name into the input. Now we're ready to save and start the actor. The actor will now scrape the website and store the information in our Pinecone index. The final step is to go to the Pinecone GPT chatbot. You can find the link to it in the description, and fill out the same attributes as in the previous tool. Checking the log, we can now see the chatbot app. That's our chatbot trained on our own data. Let's ask the same question. Who is Caleb in relation to Apify? This time, we finally get the correct answer. To keep your chatbot up to date, you can schedule these actors to run at regular intervals. Click the three dots above the actor and select Schedule. You can choose how often the actor should run. Additionally, these tools can be run locally via API. You'll find the code in Node.js, Python, or curl in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. Let us know what you think about the WCC with Pinecone and Pinecone with GPT integration. You can find the link for them in the description below. If you run into any issues, report them to our developers in the Apify console. That's it. Thank you for watching.